I am Mrs. Manisha Pradeep Khaire, Faculty of Rasiklal M. Dhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinswad, Pune, continues with the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. In this part 5, I am going to discuss offences and penalties under DNCI. First offence, anyone who himself or by other person on his behalf manufactures for sale or for distribution of sales or stocks or exhibit for sale or offers for sale or distributes any adulterated or spurious drug when used by any person is likely to cause his death or cause grievous hurt under section 320 of the Indian Penal Code, then he is punishable with imprisonment for a term not less than 5 years, but which may extend to life imprisonment, and with fine not less than rupees 10,000. Then drugs which are deemed to be adulterated but which is not likely to cause death or grievous hurt, or any drug without valid license, imprisonment not less than 1 year but which may extend to 3 years, and fine not less than 5,000 on first conviction, and imprisonment not less than 2 years but which may extend to 6 years, and with fine not less than rupees 10,000 on any subsequent conviction. For any special and adequate reason, court may reduce the imprisonment and fine. Next, any drug which is deemed to be spurious but which is not likely to cause death or any grievous hurt, then imprisonment not less than 3 years but which may extend to 5 years, and with fine not less than rupees 5,000, provided that for any adequate and special reason, court may impose imprisonment less than 3 years on first conviction, and with fine not less than rupees 10,000 on any subsequent conviction. Then any drugs in contravention of the other provisions of this chapter, he has the imprisonment not less than 1 year which may extend to 2 years, and with fine. Provided that for any adequate and special reason, court may impose imprisonment less than 1 year. For any subsequent conviction of an offence, be punishable with imprisonment not less than 1 year but which may extend to 4 years, or with fine not less than rupees 5,000. Then if a spurious cosmetic is there, it may be punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years and fine. Then any cosmetic in contravention of the provision of the Act and rules thereunder, it is punishable with imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine up to rupees 1,000, or with both on first conviction, and with imprisonment up to 2 years and with fine up to 2,000 rupees, or with both on any subsequent conviction. Then second offence, penalty for non-disclosure of the name of the manufacturer. If any person who does not disclose the name of the manufacturer or his agent from whom he acquired the drug, if required by the inspector, then imprisonment for a term which may extend to rupees 1,000, or with both. Then penalty for non-keeping documents and for non-disclosure of information. Whoever without reasonable cause or excuse does not maintain records, register and documents as prescribed under section 18B, does not furnish information to the authorized officers under Drugs and Cosmetic Act, is punishable with imprisonment up to 1 year or with fine up to rupees 1,000, or with both. Then penalty for manufacture of drugs or cosmetic whose manufacture, sale is prohibited in the public interest. Whoever himself or by any other person manufactures, sells or distributes any drug or cosmetic whose manufacture, sale is prohibited in the public interest by notification in the official gazette is punishable with imprisonment up to 3 years and fine up to rupees 5,000. Then penalty for use of government analysis report for advertising. Whoever uses any report of a test or analysis made by CDL or government analyst, or extract from which report for the purpose of advertising any drug or cosmetic is punishable with fine up to rupees 500 on first conviction, and with the imprisonment up to 10 years or with fine or with both on any subsequent conviction. Thank you.